Are rising costs and compliance challenges keeping you awake at night? India's manufacturing sector is evolving rapidly, and you need solutions that can keep up. Imagine juggling rising costs, shifting demands, and a minefield of regulations. You need a unified cloud system to streamline finance and production. Enter Acumatica ERP, a powerful ally in simplifying operations and compliance. Most plants rely on a maze of spreadsheets, data trapped in silos. You waste hours reconciling versions instead of making confident decisions. What if you could manage everything on a single, easy-to-use platform? Stay ahead of shifting tax rules with Acumatica's centralized data system. Standardize your data for GST and maintain clean audit trails effortlessly. Imagine cutting down on manual tasks and errors with automation. Acumatica automates repetitive tasks, freeing your team to focus on what really matters. Unify visibility across procurement, production, and finance for real-time insights. Make informed decisions quickly with data at your fingertips. Acumatica supports your growth, adapting as your business expands. This cloud-native platform means you can add new features effortlessly. Choosing the right implementation partner is key to your success. A partner will help navigate the complexities of Indian regulations with ease. At PyTangent, we focus on your manufacturing outcomes, not just software. Upgrade your processes with confidence. Let's discuss how Acumatica can transform your business.